Hello, adventurers. Welcome back to Footsteps Through Time. Get ready to set sail on an enchanting journey under the starlit Chicago sky. In this episode, we're about to take you on an unforgettable private sailboat cruise, right under the mesmerizing Navy Pier Fireworks. Let's dive into the magic. Our voyage begins at the northeast corner of Lakeshore Drive and Monroe Street. As we step aboard Bernard, our licensed U.S. Coast Guard captain will guide us through an extraordinary night, sailing along Chicago's iconic lakefront. Picture this, a 2-hour sail that combines the city's breathtaking skyline with a front row seat to the spectacular Navy Pier Fireworks. What makes this experience truly special is that you're in control. You get to choose the route, music, and even your sailing companions. As we glide through the waters, marvel at the Buckingham Fountain, a majestic landmark that's a photographer's dream. The Shed Aquarium, Adler Planetarium, and Soldier Field add to the mesmerizing sights. The iconic Navy Pier. Passing its eastern end, you'll be treated to an exquisite view of the Grand Ballroom. And of course, the crown jewel, the awe-inspiring Chicago skyline. It's an architecture lover's paradise. The beauty of this adventure lies in its customization. Whether you're intrigued by the city's history, want to know about its architectural marvels, or simply wish to soak in the atmosphere, our captain is here to tailor the experience to your preferences. As our magical sailboat journey concludes back at our starting point, remember, this is your voyage. You can engage in lively conversations, capture stunning photos, or simply enjoy the tranquility of the water. It's an intimate experience, limited to 6 passengers, ensuring an evening you'll treasure. And there you have it, fellow travelers. If you're ready to elevate your Chicago experience and witness the Navy Pier Fireworks like never before, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Until our next adventure, keep exploring and making memories. Bon voyage.